this video tutorial, I will demonstrate the process of modifying the default search engine on your Android smartphone using the Google Chrome browser. To commence, access the home screen of your Android device and locate the Chrome browser application. Once identified, launch the application by tapping on its icon. Upon opening the Google Chrome browser, proceed to access the menu options by selecting the three vertically aligned dots situated in the top right corner of the screen. Subsequently, navigate to the Settings option and select it. Within the Settings menu, locate the Basic section and identify the Search Engine option. Upon selecting this option, you will be presented with a list of alternative search engines, including Yahoo, Bing, DuckDuckGo. After carefully considering your preferences, select the desired search engine by tapping on its corresponding option. Henceforth, whenever you conduct a search using the Google Chrome browser on your Android device, the results will be displayed utilizing the search engine you have meticulously selected.